What did you do?
So, I rushed really hard to get this car done and it's not done at all. My transmission is broken. It's not tuned. But you know what? I'm still gonna send it.
You gonna sing some sweet V8 songs for us, Hurt? Woo! Work Stallion! Oh man, what was in third, fourth gear? Yeah. We're gonna get fourth here in a second. Yeah! Let's make some noise for the twerk stallion! Woo! Let's go! Oh, the twerk stallion just getting warmed up. Let's go, Hurt! Get those fingers in the sky. Let's see some road limiter! We're not done! Hurt's car just turned into confetti, body parts everywhere. Uh-oh. Oh, it's making a lot of rock grinding noises. It's still going! Bye, twerk stallion! This is definitely a first. All right, radio. You gotta handle business now, it's just you out here.
I just think got him. Yeah, he was just like sitting at a tent talking to some other guy.
What's the deal? What's the deal? Hey, y'all ready? Radio, my man. You think these people are ready?
I don't know, I can't really hear them.
I said, are y'all ready? Radio, you gonna send this thing in the ground?
Yes, sir.
We got verbo time?
Let's do it.
Let's go, baby! Oh, nothing like an old V8 Cressida. Everybody get those fingers up so he knows to park that thing on the limiter. There it is, come on. Yeah! All right, everybody, let's get those fingers up. Give it hell, baby. Oh, that's third gear. Oh, she's eating now. Oh, there's one. Woo! Oh, yeah! Get those fingers high in the sky. Let's keep it going. Yeah! Oh, man! Woo! Damn! And sometimes. Y'all ready for some more? Yeah, me too. Now, let's see what we got next. Who's coming up next? What are we pulling out here? Kay just got... 80 pounds of booze running through the gears, through turbochargers.
Is Dan on fire right now?
I love it. All you can see is his head. Dan, you have smoke coming off your head, Dan. Make some noise, Fuel Fest. Hold on, we lost Dan. He's still smoking. Run, Dan, run. And how close was that to a set of tires?
No idea. Dan!